Hello everyone, welcome to our channel about Thailand. This is a new video about the beaches of Phuket. We want to share videos from various beaches of the island with you daily, or as often as possible. We will try to show different places and beach entrances so that you can understand the current weather and atmosphere, and decide whether to come now or wait. Our main goal is relevance. We will shoot videos for you in any weather, under any conditions, so that you get the freshest information. I have only one request. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and write in the comments which beach you want to see tomorrow. Today we are showing you Kamala Beach. This video was filmed on July 6th, 2024. Kamala is not the most popular beach on the island of Phuket, but many people love it. In the low season, the sea here is not the best. Sometimes it can be a bit dirty, as it is now, and there are often waves, but you can still find people on the beach. Several well-known hotels and beach clubs are located in the north of the beach. One of the best hotels on the island of Phuket is the Intercontinental, located on Kamala Beach. Next to it is the famous beach club Cafe Del Mar. One of the advantages of this beach is the well-maintained promenade, which is nice to walk along and enjoy the view of the sea and palm trees. In the video, we see the central part of Kamala Beach, where the Sunwing and Sun Prime hotels are located. These hotels are on the front line, so you don't need to cross any highways or noisy roads to get to the beach. You step out of the hotel, and there's the sea. These hotels are especially loved by families with small children. In the high season from November to March, these hotels are filled with families because this beach is incredibly beautiful when there are no strong waves. The sea is turquoise and the palm trees provide natural shade. Now, the color of the sea is not the same as in the high season. The video was filmed in July, which is considered the rainy season in Phuket, and strong waves appear on the sea, bringing a lot of debris. During the low season, red flags are most often installed on this beach, indicating that swimming in the sea is dangerous and even prohibited. Despite this, many people still swim. These flags are installed by lifeguards who monitor the waves and rip currents. The biggest danger is not the waves themselves, but the rip currents. This is a phenomenon where water literally pulls you into the sea, and it's extremely difficult to get out. Therefore, if you enter the sea, do so very close to the shore, as rip currents can pull you even from shallow water. When it is safe to swim, lifeguards put up yellow or yellow-red flags in zones where swimming is less dangerous and where they watch over the vacationers. There's a sunbed area on the beach that you can rent. Usually the price is 200 baht for a set of 2 loungers and an umbrella. Specific zones are allocated for sunbeds, and it is forbidden to cover the entire beach with them. So people sunbathe on mats in other parts of the beach. If you need a sunbed, you have to walk to this designated area. The air temperature today is 31 degrees with fairly high humidity and no precipitation. Although the weather was rainy and windy for the past few days, due to the rains, you can see a lot of natural debris on the beach. The beach is usually thoroughly clean, but the sea brings new debris very quickly. Near the sunbed area in the central part of the beach, you can find massage salons located right in the open air. The cost of a massage in such places is 300, 400 baht per hour. I can't say anything about the quality of the services. If you have tried getting a massage in such places, write in the comments and share your feedback. Further along the beach, you can find stalls with drinks, ice cream, fruits, and Thai food. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a wonderful sidewalk where you can walk alone or with a stroller and enjoy the view, sipping a cool drink. Next, we head to the northern part of Kamala Beach. There are various cafes with a view of the sea where you can sit on chairs, drink cold beer or smoothies, and enjoy the sound of the waves. In total, you can count about 20 cafes of different types, from the simplest Thai ones to higher quality restaurants. The cafes mainly offer Thai food, but you can also find Italian pizza, pasta, and seafood. Now, we are approaching the more northern part of the beach. There is a Muslim cemetery here which few people know about. It is located behind a fence on the right. There are no hotels in this part of the beach, although there is a sunbed area. Those who rest here may not know what is behind the fence. Now, you know. There is much more debris on this part of the beach as there are fewer cafe owners and no hotels, so no one cleans the beach. A path runs along the fence to the northernmost part of the beach where some of the best clubs on the island and one of the best hotels are located. Before we move on to the northernmost part of the beach, please like this video. We strive to make quality content for you, filming beaches and showing the current weather. All we ask in return is to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In the north of the beach, there are several well-known hotels and beach clubs. One of the best hotels on the island of Phuket is the Intercontinental, located on Kamala Beach. Next to it is the famous beach club Café Del Mar. I'll tell you a bit about Café Del Mar. This is a popular world-class beach club owned by the same owner as Café Del Mar in Ibiza. This place is known for its beautiful sea views, relaxing atmosphere, and great music. It has become so iconic that many people come to Phuket just to watch the sunset to the sound of music at Café Del Mar. They often hold parties and music events with famous DJs. Celebrities often visit, such as Leonardo DiCaprio during his last visit to the island. The interior of Café Del Mar is done in boho chic style with elements of natural materials, creating a cozy and relaxed atmosphere. The cost of sunbeds starts at 1,000 baht per person. There are also many beautiful spots for photo shoots on this beach. For example, there are hanging swings where you can take stunning photos. It is also worth noting that all beaches in Thailand are public and you have the right to access any of them. This includes resting in front of Café Del Mar, but you cannot be inside the area beyond the trees on the right. There is even a security guard who does not let unauthorized people into the hotel territory. The Intercontinental Hotel, which you can see in the video, has a large area and is located in two parts of the Kamala district simultaneously. One part is on the front line and the other is across the road. The road is quite wide, but they have their own tunnel through which they transport people from the building across the road. The rooms in the front line are much more expensive than the rooms in the building across the road. So, if you book this hotel, be sure to clarify which building your room will be in. At the very end of this beach is Novotel Hotel, and the waves in this part of the beach are usually lower than in the central part. In general, the waves are usually lower on the edges of all beaches than in the central open sea part. Write in the comments if you have been to this beach. Were there strong waves in which month, and in which hotel did you stay? Goodbye everyone, see you in Phuket.